purpose of this new website is to have relevant resources available that help teachers to discuss emotions with children and young people. The target audience for this website are children in Key Stage 2 and 3, which is quite challenging. However, we did discuss with a panel of teachers whether they thought the resource was appropriate for children between 9 and 14 years old. I hope that the skills, the children, and the way that they will benefit will be that they'll be able to communicate with each other better and understand themselves better. There are about 8 chapters or 8 different modules that are in this resource, and they are, about things like managing your feelings, managing anger. It's a way of helping them to reflect on their emotions and behaviours, because it's very important that children have an opportunity to develop emotional literacy.